Hello friends, I am fine and I hope that you will be also fine. Today's story topic is Allauddin. Please put on the nice comment, press bell icon, and first of all you subscribe my channel so that you will receive my video easily. Thank you friend. Friends, the Pakistani film industry has produced numerous heroes, several villains, and a handful of comedians over the years. Allauddin is perhaps the only one of who fit all these categories. The legendary actor had a career spanning over 4 decades, known affectionately as Papa in film circle. Alauddin rose to fame after he performed diverse roles in various films, from being the anti-hero of Neend 1959, the lovable uncle from Banjaran 1962, to the shepherd who stood up against the British in Farangi and the rebel in Ye Aman. His versatility in evidence, he had the ability to make audience dance with him as Golgappe Wala in Mehtab and weep with him. Born in 1920 in Rawalpindi, he started his career in pre-partition India as the singer but eventually turned to acting. An accomplished singer as the musician Alauddin Finances was Sharing and Narjis' father in Mela 1948, where Dilip Kumar played the lead. Thereafter, Alauddin pursued role only in film industry. In the early days, Alauddin mostly took one of the role of a villain. On screen, he was usually seen swindling the poor, kidnapping the leading lady, and rarely standing up against wrongdoings. With release on Punjabi film Kartar Singh, Alauddin's career shifted gear and he started appearing as the good guy. By the 1960s, the film industry in Pakistan had matured and he's opened several doors for Alauddin, with his first lead role in Ashfaq Malik's Sama 1960. The following year saw Alauddin as a cowboy in Pakistan's western film 12 Baje. For the next 10 years, he appeared regularly in Hasan Tariq film Banjaran and Yatim as well Khalil Qaiser film Shaheed Farangi Maa Baap. So dear friends, how you like my video? Tell me in comment box. God bless you. So friend, bye. We will meet in the next video. Allah Hafiz.